Alright, this is just a document that today I put the steering wheel in. I'm still not feeling good. No, I think I'm getting a sinus infection now, so one thing leads to another, I guess. So I'm wondering to myself if I'm ever gonna be able to drive this car. But yeah, so I got the column in it today. I mean the steering wheel, I should say. The column's been in it for a while. On my previous videos you can see that, you know. So, and then the other day I made my gauge panel, for it. So I just gotta get some gauges for it and figure out what I'm gonna do there. So I got tilt in here, you can see, and all that. So turned out really good. Got a couple scratches in it here and there, but yeah, it's just a street car. It's a show car, but it's not a chromed and decked out polished show car. It never will be underneath my ownership anyway, because it's just I don't have the money and I have the know-how and the time, but I just don't have the money for it. But anyway, it'll be a nice little thing, it'll be a nice little car, So we got tilt now, so that's great. So it's a GM column. There's no key switch on it, so I put the key switch right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. So that's where it'll be to start it. So that's okay. If we go to the other side here, I gotta go in the house and take some pills. I'm hurting right now. I'm done for the day out here. But yeah, so let's see once we can kind of see it there now. So yeah, so anyway, we'll leave it as that. Just a quick little video. I may not be able to work on this thing for a while. I have to get better because it's just crazy. But it goes from one thing to another. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. I might have to go to the doctor. So you guys take care. Yep, bye-bye.